Drama Battalion.
What's up guys, it's YetiBite here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the GGMM M4 Bluetooth wireless digital speaker. Now, this cost £229 on Amazon, and I'm very impressed with the speaker. First up in the box is a leather strap. It enables you to be able to carry it around more easily. There is also a 3.5mm aux cable to enable you to connect any phone to the speaker if your phone is on low battery per se. Well, apart from iPhone 7 users. Sorry guys. It's charged via a very unusual charging port with a very big power brick to power the giant 40-watt drivers of the speaker. And last and definitely the least, there is a warranty booklet and a user manual to tell you how to use the speaker, but generally no one really uses those, so we're just gonna get onto the speaker. Now, here is how you put the strap onto the speaker. It's really quite easy, but as I have no hand-to-eye coordination, as you can see by how long it took me to put on the first one, it looks like it's hard, but honestly it's really not. Now I'm just going to show you a couple quick facts about the speaker with some nice B-roll footage.
I'd rise if I just stuck to my mind. They trying to see if I'm strong enough. Kept my weapons inside, kept honesty on my tongue, kept that smoke in my lungs. This ain't 2008, my family lacking in funds. Trying to go out and get it and push it back where it was. And I know I can do it, thousands been showing me love. Life tried to change me, arrange me, erase me from who I am. Always been a creative, I'll make it, this was the plan. Life fell apart, so my future could fall together. Shout out to my broken heart, who knew you would make me better.
Now, this speaker is honestly an absolute beast. The bass is really deep and it gets really loud. To show you it, here's it compared to the other speaker I previously reviewed on my channel.
Drama Battalion.
I told myself I don't need no help, I can do this all on my own. Just give me time, 'cause I'm gon' shine as soon as I'm in my zone. In my zone, but I prevailed, I guess that I proved you wrong. So the next time I cross your mind, or when you hear my song, put your hands up.
Drama Battalion.
I told myself I don't need no help, I can do this all on my own. Just give me time, 'cause I'm gon' shine as soon as I'm in my zone. In my zone, but I prevailed, I guess that I proved you wrong. So the next time I cross your mind, or when you hear my song, put your hands up.
So that was my quick review and unboxing of this speaker. It's really loud and looks great, and I'll definitely recommend it to someone looking for a nicely designed home speaker. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.